Welcome back to Instabills, everyone. So I'm going to go over an update with you guys on SPRT. Again, SPRT had a crazy breakout today, but however, it was very choppy throughout the day. So I'm going to go over exactly why it was choppy, what exactly gave us that confirmation on that momentum to give us that breakout throughout the day. Again, we were testing that $16 mark, then we broke into 17, then we broke above 17, going into 18, and then 19, and then we were thinking 20, and then it came to 20, and then going to extended hours, we broke above 21, came down to 20, broke up to 23, very choppy throughout the day. I'm going to go over exactly why and exactly what we are going to be looking out for as a continuation going into tomorrow. And also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over the 4 hour with you guys here on SPRT, and then I'm going to zoom into the 5 minutes so you guys can see exactly what we are looking out for as a continuation. And before we get started, I want to mention that we did alert this one at $14.80 this morning in pre-market. We mentioned that they did spike up to $14.80. Again, we did mention SPRT yesterday on their breakout as well. We've been mentioning SPRT since $9. And again, we have been breaking out since then, up about 300% since then. But from today, we broke up 100% from $14.80, jumping all the way up to $30 going to after hours now on SPRT. So I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue. So again, if you guys want to see all these breakouts, go to instabills.com in the description below. Again, SPRT on the 4 hour, you guys can see we are looking extremely bullish, and I do like the short percentage here. Again, over a 40% short percentage, showing us that we could have a possible major breakout continuation here. I'm going to go to the 5 minute with you guys here again, so you guys can see exactly what we are looking out for here. So again, on the 5 minute, we have been bouncing off the 50 to moving average. If you guys were watching the 5 minute during the day and you guys were scalping this is not financial advice. This is only what I'd be doing. As you guys can see, again, we came down, we bounced off the 50-day moving average, and again, we were consolidating, we were moving up and down, but however, as you guys can see, we had the 20-day moving average still above the 50, showing us that we were still bullish throughout the whole day. So again, if we were watching this, then again, we would have been holding throughout the whole day, and as you guys can see, going 6 extended hours, we just continued on up with the 20-day moving average, giving us that bullish momentum, giving us that continuation on that movement. So again, just off the bat, watching the 20-day moving average and the 50 is extremely important. In my opinion, again, the 20 moving average being the yellow line and the 50-day moving average being the red. And again, we have been bouncing up. You guys can see we came all the way up and we actually tested that $30 mark. I'm going to go into the 5 minute real quick so you guys can see what we're looking out for here on the MACD. So you guys can see on the MACD, again, we have been increasing in buy pressure. We had some decrease in sell pressure, which we did get some buy pressure. And then as you guys can see, going to extended hours, past extended hours, we continued on up, probably giving us more buy pressure at that point. We're looking to see if we can break above this buy pressure point going into tomorrow. So I would be setting my alert at this point if we wanted that strong momentum. But again, I'm still holding this one. Again, we're going to be looking at this one going into tomorrow. We're going to see what happens going into pre-market. It's going to show us a lot of what might happen. In my opinion, if we could hold over $30 going into pre-market and going into open, and then we continue on up, then that would be extremely bullish here on SPRT, and especially with the short percentage that they have, we can see a huge squeeze possibly. Again, this is not financial advice, this is only my opinion. And SPRT, again, we did mention a video yesterday on them. Again, we've been alerting this one throughout the week. Again, definitely check out instabills.com if you guys do want to see all of these breakouts throughout the week. Again, I don't do this financial, it's not financial advice, but again, you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, everybody that has been in the comment section, as always, I appreciate every one of you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And hopefully SPRT breaks out tomorrow. I'm rooting for it, so let's go.